Jai Hind dear students, I welcome you all in my geography class. In today's class, I will be discussing the question answers of LC chapter 1 environment. So let's start. First question, what holds the atmosphere around? Answer is gravitational force. Gravitational force, it holds the atmosphere around us. Second question, the word environment is taken from French word environner. What does it mean? It means surrounding or neighborhood. Here printing mistake is there. It should be word. Third, what is not a natural component of environment? Building, park, bridges, roads are not natural component of environment. Fourth question, what is not a human made component of environment? Land, air, water are not human made component of environment. Coming to the next one, choose the correct option. First one, the World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June. Here the option 5th June, due to printing error it's not given here, so you have to write 5th June. Second, which of the following is not a human component of environment? So here you can see family, communities and economics. These are part of human component, but land is not part of human component. So answer will be D, land. Third question, land, water, air comprise the natural environment. Option A. Fourth one, hydrosphere is essential for all living organisms. Okay, for the fourth answer will be A. Fifth one, environment is the dash that surrounds any living organism. Environment is the place, people and thing that surrounds any living organism. So the answer will be D, all of the above. Fill in the blanks. The world of living organism is known as biotic. Second one, the domain of water refers to hydrosphere. Third one, the trade in which goods are exchanged without the use of money, barter system. Fourth one, the World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June. Fourth question, you have to differentiate between lithosphere and atmosphere. In both you have to write 3 points. Okay, first point, in the lithosphere, it is the solid top layer of the earth's surface. In the atmosphere, first point is that atmosphere is the thin layer of air which surrounds the earth. Second point, in lithosphere, it consists of mountain, plateaus, plains and valleys. In the atmosphere, second point, it consists of all the gases. And third point, in the lithosphere, it is the place where we build our houses and where we live. And in the atmosphere, third point, it protects us from harmful UV rays. Second question, as population increases, human activities also expand. So it is asked that if the population is increases, the human activities also expand. Why? As population increases, human activities also expand as the requirement of the human being increases. Third question, why we should protect our environment? We should protect our environment because environment provides us all the necessary things which are essential for our survival. Now next one, high order thinking question. Why are human beings considered the most important part of environment. Human beings are considered the most important part of environment because only human beings have the skill, knowledge and technology by which they can modify the environment and adapt according to the environment. Next question. The earth would have been a barren planet without the atmosphere. Do you agree with the statement? Why? Barren planet. It means here no life will be there. Yes, Earth would be a barren planet without the atmosphere because the atmosphere protects us from harmful UV rays and also the atmosphere provides us the essential oxygen for our survival. Okay, now after that here some assertion and reasons are given, means some statement is given and you have to see whether the reasons which are given there are correct or not. So these two you will be doing on your own. Coming to the last question, value based question. Mohan is affected by the news in the clearance of 14,000 trees to construct the new metro line, and as a result he encouraged others to plant saplings regularly. What value do you think are depicted by Mohan's effort? So it is a value based question. So here you have to write the value. The basically the value is Mohan is eco-friendly and it shows its love towards the mother nature. So dear students, in today's class we have discussed the question answers of LC. Do write all the answers in your copy. Till then, take care. Thank you and Jai Hind.